you're now going to start saying about the Brazilian man who possibly invented the plane. So watch that part, and I'll ask you a question.
Did you know Brazilians think it was a Brazilian who invented the airplane?
Oh,
He's called Santos Dumont.
Okay. What do you think about
Santos
what you said there, Nate?
They say the Brazilian says, and that's wrong.
It is. You're right. What is the correct thing to say?
Brazilians say.
Exactly.
Without the S. Yeah.
Fantastic. Good. So you made that mistake, and you do make another mistake very soon. Let's listen. Do you believe that to be true, or you're undecided?
I think they all helped because the Santos Dumont he flied without uncoupled. The Wright brothers flied the wrong word.
You're right. What should you say?
The right word is, I don't know, flat.
This is really interesting. You're in the right direction, okay? You're right. We don't say flied because we say fly, flew, flown.
Flew.
Good. Yeah. F-L-E-W. And there we go. Fly, flew, flown.
Okay.
Good. So you should say he flew. Let's watch that little part again because there's one final correction we need to look at.